Hello, Adam.
Good afternoon, Dylan.
We welcome you to Wahawk Talk this spooky Friday the 13th.
Attention seniors, turn your complete Golden W form to Miss Reimer in the PBDA office, room 233A, by Friday, April 20th.
Collection is happening now for the House of Hope. Bring items to the counseling office by April 27th.
The Seniors Honors Assembly will be May 11 at 12:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Seniors, if you've been awarded a scholarship you plan to accept, email Ms. Wasp by May 1st to have it included in the Report Seniors Scholarships handout.
The boys cross-country team is selling used uniform items for anyone interested. These items are in very good condition. At this time, the Nike jacket can be purchased for $20. Sizes are small, medium, and large. Pants can be added for an additional $10. See Coach Malsam in office area 220B.
Prom is April 28th. $20 tickets go on sale April 16th in the business office. In order to purchase a ticket, you need to have all your fees paid and all your detention served.
On April 27th, we will stop selling tickets at noon, and tickets will cost $25. If you are bringing a non-West High student, pick up a guest permission form in the business office, and the form must be returned by April 26th.
Saturday's events. Solo and ensemble contest at East High School all day. Boys tennis versus Iowa City West and City High 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Girls tennis at Iowa City West and City High 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. First D boys soccer at CVSC 10 a.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Have a spooky day. Be blessed.